Hi there guys, thanks very much for joining us again. Welcome back to the channel. So I've got a short video for you today that will demonstrate a logo design tutorial on Canva. Just before I get into it, once you've watched the video, if you want to use Canva then, you can just click a link in the description to this video. And that'll take you straight to the Canva platform. You can log in with an email or a Google account, and then you'll be able to utilize it for completely free. There are a couple of very small restrictions, which you've got to upgrade to Pro for, but it will allow you to create a logo and download it as an image without a watermark or anything like that. So once you're into Canva, this will be the homepage that you see, and if you type logo into the search bar on top, that'll then give you access to over 60,000 logo templates. So you can see that there's some suggestions at the top and some categories on the left hand side. So find a logo which you like or which closest resembles the logo that you want. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I recommend browsing through and really seeing what's there. Okay, so once you've found a logo that you like the look of, if you single click it and then use customize this template, that'll then open the Canva editor. So it's very simple, very easy to use, very intuitive. It's very similar to like a mobile app or something like that. So it's not very complicated, not a lot of sub menus and things. So as you can see, if I select something, the toolbar appears on the top. And if I select a different kind of object, the toolbar then changes. So like this image, for example, you could delete that by hitting the bin icon. You can resize it, move it around by clicking and dragging it. And you can see these guidelines appear as well to give you an idea of where center is. Text, single left click will give you access to the font size and color, as well as some justification options, spacing and things like that. And if you double click the text, that'll allow you then to type in whatever you want in replacement of that text. So if there's things that you don't want there, you can single click and hit the little trash icon, and that'll get rid of them for you. And it's very easy to achieve a very professional looking logo very quickly. You can upload your own images from that tab there. You've got access to elements, which are basically like, free graphics that you can drag in and add to your image as well. It is a layer-based system. So like this, for example, you can see that the text is, on top of his head. And if you wanted it, the other way, if you wanted him at the back, then you can just right click and then center back, and you can see then he kind of appears behind everything. So it uses layers similar to something like Photoshop. You can add your own text as well as link to Google Drive and some basic stuff like that as well. Once you're happy with your logo and it's looking how you want it to, hit share in the top right hand corner and then download, and that'll then allow you to pull the image down as a digital image file or a PDF depending on what you need by hitting that little download button there. And that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, you've got access to Canva now as a link in the description for this video. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions, comments, or anything like that, leave them down below. Thank you very much.